What's up, everybody? So I'm about to head out to Western North Carolina Nature Center, and I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Eli, and he's waiting on me, so we're gonna go. All right, peace. Alright, so I just met Eli about 2 days ago when I was shooting my River Arts District video, and he was like, dude, you have a camera, what you filming? And so I told him about my project, and he was like, man, give me some tips, give me some pointers, man, and cool guy, man, so we'll just do some shooting, I'll give him some tips, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're almost there, we're on Swannanoa River Road, and we're just heading it out. What up, homie? All right, that's it, man.
That's a good shirt.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, so we're about to do a little bit of exploring on the Nature Center, and I'm gonna teach this guy a little bit about cameras, and we're gonna go from there. See you in a bit. You ready, bro?
Yeah, there aren't any stairs. You meant the hill, right?
Dude, straight the hill, bro. Dude, we can do this, man. I saw an old man, and there was an old lady that was behind him, and this old man, like, was trying to like fly up there. He got up there, and then the old lady was just like, oh shit, dude, I gotta do this now. So, all right, here we go, bro. First one, go for it.
I feel so old.
Woo! Here we go. Success. All right. So this nature center is basically kind of like a petting zoo. I guess it's like more of like a hands-on kind of deal.
Oh.
Yeah, so it should be cool, should be fun. All right, Nature Center, here we go. All right, first stop, Appalachian Station.
Wow, they're crazy.
King snake, huh?
This guy eats other rattlesnakes.
Oh, wow.
And he doesn't get sick.
Yeah, that's wild.
I wonder if he eats meat.
What is this snake anyways?
This is a black rat snake, and just make sure your camera don't have any flash on it.
No flash, absolutely no flash, yeah.
Do you want me to take the snake out?
Dude, that'd be cool. They're about to bring out a snake. Wow. Wow, he's not like slimy or anything like that.
He's not.
I kind of thought it'd be like more of like a texture kind of thing that I was issued. Do they bite or anything like that?
Most likely not, but our rule here is if it has a mouth, it can bite.
Okay. Stop being so scared, man. You're like 1,000 feet away. Alright. Very cool. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
It's so cool.
There's two of them.
So sorry.
I don't reckon. With that black on it.
Giant.
I didn't realize they were that fast.
I didn't either.
Look at that tail.
I thought they were skinnier.
I thought they were red.
That's awesome. Got a gray fox. Isn't that awesome?
Hey, buddy.
Got a thick coat. He must be hot, man. Awesome. Look at that. Perfect. Dude, you're getting
We have food for you. Come.
Yeah. Record. What kind of wolf is this?
Super Wolf.
Oh, Super Wolf. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I heard of those. Yeah. They're in the same class as like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I think.
Exactly.
Yeah. So perfect.
Video of me like working with French girls.
Yeah, dude. Show me them bazooms. You any good at Shrek impressions? Donkey.
The two back there with the dreadlocks.
Oh snap!
Oh, look at that guy. He looks emo, man. That is awesome. That guy looks like a giant beaver goat. Oh, so cool, man. All right. Yep. Black bear. This is one I'm super excited about. There we go. Bear shot. Heck yeah. That's awesome. What do you think his name is?
Bus.
Buster? Yeah, Bus. He's probably the troublemaker. I can tell, man. It's in his eyes. He's like, what do you mean? Right, that right there is a black bear. He's just hanging out. He's like the baby bear right here. So that was it. Woo! Fun little day.
Heck yeah.
We saw bears. We saw a wolf. We saw yeah, we saw a timber rattlesnake. We saw a rat snake.
Hummingbird.
Oh, we saw a albino snake too, which was super cool. We didn't get a ton of footage of it, but it was still pretty cool. Yeah. So now we are famished and gonna catch a bite to eat. I'm gonna grab a coffee and we're gonna edit these and we'll put them up on YouTube. See you in a bit, guys.
What's going on, guys? We had a wonderful time at the WNC Nature Center. Saw bears, snakes, wolves, foxes, dragons, maybe not. Yeah, had a wonderful time. Would definitely recommend. You guys have a good day. Peace.
Share, subscribe. Talk to you later. Peace.
Hey guys, oh my gosh, random dude following me, don't know who he is. Well, you know,